Sweden 2, final.
Oh, USA beat Sweden.
USA got the bronze.
Yay!
Bronze medal.
What about gold and silver?
What, Bree?
Gold and silver is going on tonight at 7.
Woo!
Oh,
Yeah, I'd love to see us
Our
skating.
friends up north against Russia.
That's my finger.
Whoa! So it's Sydney against Crosby again?
Sydney against Crosby now.
Sydney against somebody.
Now that's their country. So.
You want me to go my fastest?
Yeah, go your fastest.
Oh, wait.
Make sure you can stop though.
Aaron, move!
Where's your helmet?
Move! Hey!
How about excuse me?
Here we go. Ready? Sit.
Oh,
Look at Bree!
Next year we have to go wider.
Let's get to this hot
my 12-year-old. Oh, wider. That means we have to take down a tree. Like that one. Very tall.
I actually thought about going this way.